So I just dropped off my bike at the one motorcycle show. It'll be there from May 2nd to May 4th at the Zabel Yards in downtown Portland. This is the goodie bag you get as a builder. So, let's see what we got in here. We got it's a bunch of stuff from Russ Brown. This is a handkerchief here. Show you some other things here. So from the coast, there's this little knife we got. Got two pairs of socks. Got these pair of socks here from Bull Run Crew. Got another pair of socks from Progressive. It's got a engine on it, essentially. I got a lot of these cup holders, cup warmers, a couple bags here from Russ Brown, one there, another one here. Let's see, this is from Cayman Jack, the bag. I got this thicker one for thicker holder. That's for the one motorcycle show. They're light. And you got a bunch of stickers here. I got some hats here. I got a Moto Sport hat. Got a Indian motorcycle hat. We also got a tire gauge, tire air pressure gauge. There's another one of these. Also the Coast They sell flashlights, I think, and so they got a flashlight. Lantern. We got also got a little book and a little notebook for the motorcycle show. Got this cup here. It's looks like it's like a Harley Davidson cup logo with the one motorcycle right from the back, and it's got you know, a little clip on the side here. A bunch of little things here, you know. This is the program for the one motorcycle show. It's the program here, so tell you what's going on in the days. Can win this bike. And there's some keychains. Yeah, a bunch more stickers, you know. And motorsport. And this here is a CC. It's okay. Opener. Bottle opener. Trying to get it to not track the background and the foreground here. And I got this other one here too. Okay. Press the button, I guess. Yeah. So there you go. So yeah, Indians or Holmans. Yeah. So yeah, that's the stuff I got for the motor show. This is what was in the bag I got.